Okay, I bought these sweater storage boxes thinking they were going to be the perfect solution for storing sweaters, but they obviously are not. So there's so many issues here. One of them is, I have no idea what's in each box, right? So some of them just have crazy like this. I kind of have an idea what's in there, but the majority of them, I have no idea what's in there. And they're kind of barfing sweaters here. And because some of them are still flat on top, the ones that I can close at least, they become just like another shelf, which means I have to take everything off of them to get to the boxes underneath. So there's so many issues here. Let's see what I can do. Step 1, clear the shelf. Look at all the stuff that was back there. It's so dusty too. Okay, now that's better. So from all of these boxes, I ended up with a few piles of sweaters, golf sweaters, sort of casual, almost crochet sweaters, and then cashmere cardigans that I will wear, have worn, and then this whole pile of clothes, sweaters here is things that I haven't worn since we moved here from Washington in 2020. So they've been here 6 years. Probably never going to wear them if I haven't worn them for 6 years. So I've pared all those sweaters down. This was actually, the last box was linens. So everything down into the Create a Case number 1 and one Create a Case bag number 2. I can just lay them on the shelf like this. I have obviously tons of space, and that's going to work okay. But I want to just focus on this. We call the Create a Case crushable and stuffable. So you can see that one is stuffed significantly more. It actually just has bigger sweaters in it than these. I'm not a shortage for space, but if you were, you could easily add a shelf and have these go easily at all that space, right? That was above the boxes before. Alternatively, I can put them on their ends, put some labels on them so I know what's in there: golf sweaters, cashmere, cardigan, crochet, and go vertical with them. So again, kind of condensing down that space and leaving the rest of this shelf space open. Now, I do have the bed linens there. Anyway, so there's my daily sort, store, organize using the Create a Case number 2 and the Create a Case number 1 to organize all my sweaters.